happy mail just arrived, and I am excited to share it with you. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Jen. Today I am sharing something brand new to me. What I have here is the Journal Junk Box. The Journal Junk Box company had recently reached out to me and asked me if I would like to check out their box and share it with you, and I said yes please, because I have seen a couple people unbox one of their boxes in the past and I was intrigued. This, I believe, is their February box, which will not be available by the time that I'm sharing this with you, but it at least gives you an idea of what the box will be like. The Journal Junk Box is a monthly subscription that is geared towards creative writing, self-care, stationery lovers. That's what it's for. And the box costs $47.99 a month for their monthly subscription. There are some different options though, it looks like, where if you commit to a certain time frame, you get a significant discount. Plus, they were so kind to offer a code to my audience, so you can use the code GOAL15 to get 15% off your first box. So that is really cool too. The box is adorable, isn't it, you guys? The illustrations go all the way around. It's so cute. And I am beyond excited. I have not looked in here. I was waiting to do it with you. And I believe that I read that you can get up to 8 curated items in this box. And I believe each month has a theme. So let's see here. Ooh, journal prompts. Awesome. Timeless Love February. Very pretty. I'm not going to read all the journal prompts to you, though I'll hold it close, so if you want to pause and take a peek. But let's just read number 1. Week 1, what do I appreciate most about myself, and how can I celebrate these qualities today? Ooh, I love those. Love those prompts. And then on the back, we have a journaling tip. Ooh, cool. And we have what's in the box, but we are going to put this aside and we're just going to look together. All right, let's see what else we have. Ooh, this is pretty. A little journaling card. Love flows freely to me and through me, creating lasting bonds that grow with each passing moment. Oh, that is beautiful. And then we have the Journal Junk Box, and that's their thank you card. Very pretty. Okay. Ooh, all right. I don't want to rip the tissue, you guys. Are you like that? I know I say it every time I have something like this, but it's inevitable, right? It's inevitable. All right. Let's see what we have. Look how fun. Love the pink and red. We are getting Valentine-y in here. All right, I'm going to move the box aside and we're going to look at everything one by one. Okay, so first of all, we have sticky notes. These are so cute. I know you're catching a glare off that plastic. Let me put this down here. I don't really want to take it out of the plastic just yet, but it's a red heart with a little cute tic-tac-toe board that is, you know, hugs and kisses, right? But we've got hearts going. Oh, love flows through me, to me, and from me, and from me. Very pretty. Love all the beautiful quotes. This is really, I know I'm just on the first item, but this seems like really great if you're wellness planning. As you guys know, I recently shared I am on a health journey, and I will be giving you an update of my wellness planner sometime soon, but I have a feeling some of these things are going to make their way in there. Ooh, you guys, we have washi. You know I love washi. Timeless Love Journal Junk Washi Tape Collection. Ooh, these are pretty. We definitely have to open this. Ooh, the packaging is really pretty though. I hate to undo the packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging, guys, aren't you? All right, so here's our washi. We have 2 washies. I will swatch them for you. My washi cutter's upstairs, so we're just gonna use a Sephora card. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's see if I can find the edge. All right. Ooh, so cute, so perfect. I am gonna use this next week in my planner. Very pretty. And we have, this has like a pinkish hue with like, you can kind of see a heart underneath, but it's also a cursive writing, which I love that style of a washi. So let's see. My Impress Manicure is not wanting to, okay, there we go. All right, look at that. Very pretty. And they look so cute together. Yay. Love, love, love. Yay. Very excited. Cute, cute. And to go with our washi, we have Journal Junk Sticker Collection. Sorry, Love Struck Journal Junk Sticker Collection. My love is a gift and it begins with me. Oh, that's beautiful. I love all the self-care and how they put quotes on everything. I love it. So this would also serve as a journaling card if you want. You could reuse the packaging, which is awesome. All right, but let's look at these stickers. So I'm going to speed you through because there's quite a few here. But let's check them out real quick. These, and most of them you can see you got 2, although some of them you did not, and they're so cute. They'll look so pretty with the washi, and I'm really excited to use them. I did not decorate my planner for Thanksgiving yet, so Thanksgiving for Valentine's Day yet, so I'm really excited. So these are great, and I love also that we have some really functional ones like this with the lines. So these are just beautiful. Yay. Oh, thank you, Journal Junk Box. I am excited to use these things, and we still have more to check out. So let me move these out of the way and I'll be right back. So this is the Love is Kind. I'm going to open it. Note card set of 5, it says. Which is great. I love cards. Like, I love sending cards. I love receiving cards. So this one's, but also if you don't want to use these as cards, ooh, I love the next one. You certainly could use them in your planner or journal. You could cut them. You could probably do so many things. You could put in your journal as you want and write a love note to yourself. Like, so many great things. So Love is Kind, very pretty. Ooh, I love this one. Look at that. Live, love, laugh. Live, laugh, love. Ooh, and then we have a paper pack. Yay, I love scrap paper. I have lots of big scrap paper, and I don't have as much of this size. I have some, but this is really a nice size too, because sometimes it's a pain, like storing all that big paper, and sometimes you just don't need it, you know? So this is cool. Okay, Journal Junk Vintage Reverie, 180 GSM, so that's a nice quality paper, and you get 12 sheets. There are 6 by 6 inches. Ooh, it matches the card. You guys, I love a theme. I love a good theme, and this is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to use everything. This is a really cool box. Oh, pretty. Nice hearts. And, ooh, that one's cute. Different. And fun. Fun. Ooh, I like it. Very nice. Ooh, I was dying to look at this. So these are pens. This is called Rose Garden Pen Set of 2. Let's see if we can get this open. Ooh, whoopsie. I don't know my own strength. My goodness. Okay, very pretty. Ooh, this may be going into my planner immediately. Of course, it sort of depends too on how it writes. I love these, and one of these is definitely going to go in my planner. Let's pull the little rubber piece off of here and try it out. Let me grab my notebook back. Well, friends, editing Jen here. Something happened to the footage where I was actually writing with the pen, but I just wanted to show you, here is what I wrote here on the notebook, and I really did like the way the pen wrote, so just wanted to give you that feedback. Let's look at the next thing. Then we received a travel jewelry case. Got a little dented, that's okay. Cute. Oh, nice. I don't have anything like this. So, okay. So, yeah. So, places for your rings, your earrings, your necklaces. Cute. Yeah, really cute color. I like it. And then we received a 2-pack journal set, Forever Love journal set. So, let me pull this apart. Let's see. All right, so we have 1 and 2. Very pretty. I really like this one. And on the back, it says Journal Junk. And same with this one, which I do appreciate when the company puts their logo on the back. And let's see. So we have just blank white paper. Alrighty. And I don't know that it says the GSM on this paper. I don't know that I'm going to pen test on it right now, just in case, because I'm not sure how I'll use it. And then this one, yeah, really pretty. And this one is also just blank white paper. So many possibilities, right, of what you could do in there. All right. All right, guys, that is the journal junk box. It is cool. I like it. I love the theme. Of course, we have, a Valentine's Day theme this time. It will be very interesting to see other monthly themes, and it's so fun to get a subscription box in the mail. I just love that. You can check them out at the journaljunkbox.com, and again, you can use the code GOAL15 to save 15% off your first box. And I'd love to hear what you think. I will link my latest video for you here, and otherwise I will see you in the next one. Bye.